Ninja programming. In this video, we will learn about the string, like in Python. We'll try to go as much detail as we can. So in Python's, you can for the string, you can use either single quote or double quote. Let's say, or you can use double quote. I don't know. Here again, you can do either single quote or double quote. Try to stick with the one. I prefer the single quote, which is more quicker. So. Yes, we just do name, and if we just print, you can see both. We can print out in here. Another thing, we can do concatenation in a string. You can put two together. Let's say I just change. So as you can see, this is getting together. To get rid of this, you can do small thing. Just a single quote. I put a gap there, and but if you want to put a plus sign again over there to keep the space, to the string. And do, let's say, you want to write it, or which is a short form, it is. So in for when you're writing, you can do, let's say, you can see now it's working. It's Muhammad. It is. So if you use the um, double quote, you don't have to use the backslash. Um, sure, there. Use the double quote. You don't have to use backslash. So it's Muhammad. So it's your personal choice, whichever you prefer. They want to single quote and use the backslash, or the double quote, And if you want to use the long greetings, long message, a couple of lines, so in that case, you just use a three code, and then write it down. On showing the example, and then there's the bottom, that's the three code. And if you want to print out long message and run the program, you can see. So if you want to use a long message, you can use the multiple lines, you can use the three and the triple quotes, and a lot of times you need to formatting the string, now if I run the program, that's where I'm going, then you can see here what is doing. The F strings allow you to simply and easily reference variables in your code, so that F is referencing that variable, and that variables you are pointing in here with the parentheses, so this F is pointing that variables. um, First the double quote, and then at the end use the single quote. That will show you the error, just showing the syntax error, you can see if you put it here, the code analysis, which is showing the errors. So make sure like the both, and it has to be either single or double quote, another thing you can see while you are doing you want to concatenate it, integers and string, which will not possible, if you have to convert it. If you convert it, like if it's a string you want to convert it to integer, so you need to put in front of a string the integer int. And if you are on the vice versa, if you want to put the integer to the string, so for integer value you need to put like a string in front of it, so I'll show you with the example here. Does this is a type error, you see. You can only concatenate string, not int to string. So in that case, the my age is an integer value. So if you want to change to the string, you just simply put let's see, your string, which is a method, now you can do it more 27. The vice versa, if you want to more 27. But let's say you want to from string to int, you want to convert it to int. So just write it. So once it's converted, my string to int, it's adding 54. So what we can do, just put the comma, and that will, see, will be 27 27. So here is the age 27, the integer value, and this is the string converted to the integer, which is 27. So these are the basic um, regarding the string in Python. There will be more details on a string in future videos, and so if you have any question, please do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye. See you in the next video.